Hello, our project is about food delivery system using drones. I'll be speaking on the brief idea what our project is.
I will introduce some current solution and introduce some smart restaurant system.
I'll be going through the entire product and defining how the entire system works and what all components it requires. So, Chinmay, take it away.
Thank you very much, Pranay. We are building a system which will automate the process of placing an order and delivering a food within the restaurant. Customer will come, he will place an order via tablet. The order will directly go into the kitchen. The cook will get the order, he will prepare the food, and he will place the food on the drone. The drone will travel to the appropriate table and the customer will unload the food. As simple as that.
There are existing some smart restaurant system like the rotary sushi equipment in some sushi buffet, and there are also some robot served restaurant. They even don't have waiters, and our proposed solution is use a drone to send the food from kitchen to customer's table. Yeah, use drone in commercial is very potential. There are some existing example to use drone in commercial area, like Amazon use drone to deliver goods, and the Domino's send pizza use drone to send pizza to customer. And we can also add some existing technique to the drone system, like the indoor position system and the avoid collision system. Yeah, and Penny will talk to you the some details.
The following are the components involved for building the entire system. We would require a drone such as the 3D Robotics X8 Plus. We mainly choose this solution because it can lift large objects and we can keep a tray of a lesser weight and use this drone to map onto the particular tables. With this, we would be using a display. The display would be connected to a Raspberry Pi, which will in turn be connected to a series of buttons, which can be used to individually map to each tables. Coming to the part of the tables, we would be using a cheap tablet, something like an Amazon Fire, and we will be developing an app to give them a menu and for them to place the order. So the way the drone works is the drone would have multiple sensors and indoor positioning system. We would not be able to use a GPS because GPS would give us a partial solution, and the variance in the positioning would be around 50 meters using a GPS. That's why we use an indoor positioning system. This has multiple sensors. One such solution is S-Remote. This provides not only an indoor positioning system but also a collision avoidance system. The collision avoidance is mainly used if 2 or 3 drones are traveling with each other. So to map each table, we'll be using something called as Terra Ranger, which is an RFID positioning for the flight of drone from the chef's place to each table. We would be using an algorithm called as A-star algorithm. This is a very well-known algorithm for 3D shortest distance mapping. So what happens is the customer, he comes to the restaurant, he uses a tablet and places the order. The tablet would have an RFID sensor within it. Using the tablet would be used to basically place the order. Once the order is placed, the order is then sent to the chef. The chef would prepare the product and would place it on the tray on top of the drone, and he would press the appropriate button using the Raspberry Pi, and the drone would autonomously map to that table and go and deliver the product. Thank you.